Pag may lagay na, start na.
Oh. Hi, Jessa and Clayton. I know that you come up with the right decision in choosing Clayton as your partner in eternity. So, we're happy also that you'll be married in the temple. We're also thankful for the Rather family for taking care of you. And we wish you luck. Uh, your in your special day. I hope na you will be happy uh, with your decision. So, good luck. Uh, I miss you. Tingnan ko nga. Tingnan ko nga.